everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 24 inch or 30 by 50 centimetre canvas, which I've added some black paint, and I'm going to do a swipe. Now you beaut, every day somebody does one swipe, and I have silver, and I just going to pour the silver on. As you can see, I think what I might do with this, I have rather a lot of silver, so there we go. There's only a little bit left, so there we go. Might as well, hey. I have silver, gold, cerulean blue and white, and the black, of course, as a base coat. And you can see I'm putting it on, I hope not too liberally. I'm going to swipe with white, get the last of that gold out of there, come out gold. Alright, now some of this beautiful blue, which I happen to really like. I have a bit of silicone in the white. So that's that. Might put a bit of white in here too. And I'm going to swipe from the top here down to you. Right, get over there. Now I'm going to use my paper towel. If I can find where it starts, there it is. Lovely new roll of paper towel. And here we go. Put it in there. Get a bit of paint on that. Bring it over the back there. That's it. I don't know where all my gold went, but it's gone. Okay, so I'm getting some cells already. I want to just take it up this way a bit, just to get it over that edge, because it never quite does it for me. Okay, maybe a bit more. Go on down there. Maybe over this way a bit too. Bring it back down. Come on. Okay. Now it's talking turkey. I'll bring him back. And take him down. See if I can't straighten that end out a bit now that I've messed it. I'll turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Taking it down. That's really pretty. Alright, I'm just going to wipe my hands off, I think. Maybe just get a piece of towel. And then I'll bring the heater over and give it a bit of a going over. looks really good. That blue is spectacular. Little bits of gold here and there. The silver's good. And yeah, the cells are okay. I don't mind the cells. I'm just looking at it and I'm wondering what I might do with it. You know, I might just leave that for a minute for those cells to grow a tad more, and then I'll have a think about what I can do. Because whilst it's extremely pretty, it lacks a bit of a wow factor to it. And got the blue. I know what I might do. Just dribble. Come on, you're not supposed to go spotty on me. There you go. Yes. I might do that too with some white. Okay, where's the white? Whoops, that was a bit much. You know, I think I've just wrecked it. That's okay, we'll just do this. Okay, so put that across there. Right. Haven't got much in the line of silver, but what is there can go on. And the last of the blue. And I'll just get the trusty black. If in doubt, add the black. Right, now we're talking. Couple of more sheets. Let's take it from about the middle-ish up. Right, and then another couple of sheets. Down. Okay, now try again. I think I actually like this coming up better anyway. Just going to let it dribble down. I'm not going to mess with it too much. I would like that to come down a bit more here. But I don't think it's going to, but it sort of matches that in, so that's okay. I'm just going to do this. Get another tissue. A lot of pleased I bought the giant economy size tissues. Not to worry. I like this. This one is nicer than the previous. So we'll see what we've got. No air bubbles, I know that much. Oh. Okay, so let's just bring it down, put that in there, get that on the end, see if that wants to come down a bit more, which it does. Down you come. I like how these cells now are stretching themselves down. I like that. But I'd like this end to look more like that. So it's going to take a minute for it to dribble down. What I am doing is putting that edge into the paint. This one here's got a lovely painted edge. So it's still coming down. I might get the look I'm waiting on. It's amazing how you get, when you do a swipe like I just did, you get two ends totally different. It's quite amazing, really. Okay, so that paint has slowed right down. I'd say that's about as far as it's going to go, and I really like this. I am not going to put any more heat on it, get into there, and I'm just going to leave this as it is because it's rather good. And I'm going to wash my hands and bring you down to take a look. Okay. That. So here we go. Get you down. So that's what I've been looking at, and I'll show you. It's really nice. And that blue is unbelievably beautiful. The silver's very nice. The gold is all but gone, but then there wasn't a real lot of that anyway, so, but all that there, you can see the silver. It's really quite nice, and my shadow all over everything. Can I get around this way? Move out of the way, tripod. Oh yes, that might be a bit better for you to see without my shadow. So there we are. It's, as you can see, quite spectacular, and I love it. So pleased you thought I should do this. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next. Bye for now.